Today's topic is a ways to remove a key from the dictionary. There are three methods to solve it. First is using the items and the dictionary comprehension. Second is using the pop. And the third is using the delete method. Let's start from the first method, that is using the items and the dictionary comprehension. First, we are going to initialize our dictionary, and after that we are going to use items and the dictionary comprehension. That is, for every element in the dictionary we are going to get the key and the values for them, and if that key is not equal to the element which we need to delete, then we are storing those keys and the values in the dictionary too. After that we are printing it out. As you can see it over here, I have a dictionary which consists of the A, B, C, and to the D, E respectively, and I need to remove the 3 times C in key value in the dictionary. So I get an output of this A, B, D, and to the E where C is not included.